For Asian beauty tips, I have a lot of clients who complain to me that their lashes are too short, or that they have a hooded eye, or maybe they don't like their eyebrows because they feel like they're sort of sparse. So there are really easy ways to fix this. You want to fill your eyebrow in with some powder or a brow pencil, and you can also comb them into place with a brow gel. On your eyelashes, try curling them. I know that it might seem kind of scary, that an eyelash curler is sort of scary, but if you curl your lashes and you really hold it in place for like 2 or 3 seconds when you're using the curler, you'll be amazed at how open and wide your eyes look. Something else you want to consider is eyeshadow. Do you want to create a crease and draw it in if you don't have a natural crease? Maybe rather than drawing in a crease color, you want to try gradation of color, so going from dark to light from your lash line up to your brow bone. Another thing to do is think about color tones that you want to use. Do you want to use cool colors for cheeks and lips and eyes, or do you want to use warm colors? But make sure they all belong to the same family so that you're creating a nice cohesive look.